Is carbon fibre the new asbestos? Maybe. The European Union is looking at treating carbon fibre the same way that it treats lead, particularly around the use of vehicles. Now, the EU is redrafting some of the laws surrounding the end of life for vehicles, and basically how they're broken down and recycled at the end of their usable life on the road. And they're saying that carbon fibre really does present a hazard to human health and other biological functions. Basically, carbon fibre, when it is chopped up and crushed and recycled at the end of its life, can produce little hair-like filaments that really do pose a risk to our lungs and things like that, even our skin, in a similar way to asbestos fibres that can really cause huge problems. Carbon fibre is an amazing thing to make cars out of. It's used for bodywork, it's used for dashboards and interior trim. It looks really nice, so we see it on spoilers and things like that, but it's also very light and very strong, so we see it in the chassis of really high-end cars like this Lamborghini Revuelto. What will the car industry do to replace it? Well, there are a couple of options on the table. If you look at these race cars here from Porsche and BMW, these interesting brownish, greenish bumpers that they have on them are actually made out of plant-based material as a replacement for carbon fibre. These hemp and flax infused body panels are being trialled as basically a replacement for existing structures like carbon, like plastic, like fiberglass, that could be used in the future as a greener, more sustainable alternative to carbon fibre. The car industry is facing a lot of challenges at the moment, and it looks like they're going to have to come up with some greener alternatives to existing materials.